Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best camo bedding is probably one of the most sought-after bedding sets for those who appreciate a rugged and stylish bedroom aesthetic. Today, we will deep dive into the features, benefits, and considerations of this popular choice, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your sleeping sanctuary. We'll explore everything from fabric quality and durability to the overall design and comfort level, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed purchase decision. Number 5. Dream Factory Boys Camo Comforter Set. It's the perfect way to add a touch of fun to any child's bedroom. This set includes everything you need for a complete makeover. The comforter features a camouflage design that reverses to solid olive green, coordinating perfectly with the geometric pattern sheets. It's suitable for both boys and girls. Made with a soft and durable cotton polyester blend, it's comfortable and easy to care for. It'll stay soft and vibrant wash after wash. This full-size set includes a comforter, flat sheet, fitted sheet, 2 pillowcases, and 2 shams, everything you need for a cozy night's sleep. It's designed to mix and match with other Dream Factory items, allowing you to create a complete themed bedroom. Decorating your child's room has never been easier. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set makes a wonderful present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to be a hit with kids of all ages. The soft and snuggly comforter is perfect for year-round use. Layer it with a blanket for extra warmth during colder months. What we like. It's a complete bedding set with a soft and cozy cotton blend that's also easy to care for. If you're looking for a comfortable and convenient option for your child's room, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who appreciate both comfort and durability, making it a practical and stylish addition to any bedroom. What people say. Comforter is thick and very comfortable. Best bed spread I've bought for cheap. Seriously. The material of the comforter feels breathable too, so great for summer and just add in blanket for winter. Number 4. Gamer Bedding Set. This bedding set is perfect for gamers of all ages. It's comfortable, stylish, and easy to care for. It's made from 100% soft polyester microfiber. You'll love how comfortable and breathable it is. The unique design features a camouflage pattern with game pads. It's sure to add a touch of fun to any bedroom. This full-size set includes 1 duvet cover and 2 pillowcases. Everything you need for a cozy night's sleep. It's machine washable and easy to care for. It's also perfect for bedrooms, guest rooms, or even travel. The vibrant colors and clear patterns are created using the latest 3D printing technology. It's a truly unique bedding set. What we like. This set boasts a vibrant 3D printed design and is made from incredibly soft microfiber. If you want to add a pop of personality to your space, this is the perfect choice. It's suitable for various settings, from bedrooms to dorms, offering both style and comfort. What people say. The quality is superb. The colors as amazing as in the picture on Amazon, and I love cotton. Very well made, and the colors are in the lines. It stays put when sleeping and is a great addition to my beach house. The top sheet has that slightly crisp feel of cotton sheets but with a satiny touch. The underside doesn't have as much of the satiny feel, but is not rough in any way. It is a printed image, but I can see no lessening of the quality of the image in the sheet versus the pillowcase, so apparently size really doesn't matter. Number 3. Camo Flag Kids Comforter Set. This comforter set brings a touch of Americana to any bedroom. It's perfect for kids, but adults will love it too. The set includes 1 full-size comforter and 2 pillowcases. Everything you need for a cozy night's sleep. It features unique U-shaped stitching. This keeps the filling evenly distributed and prevents clumping, ensuring lasting comfort. The vibrant design is printed using the latest 3D digital technology. It's versatile enough to match any decor style. Machine washable and easy to care for. Simply wash in cold water, tumble dry low, and enjoy its lasting softness. It's lightweight yet warm, perfect for year-round use. Use it as a quilt, bedspread, blanket, or bed cover, the choice is yours. With various styles available, there's a perfect camo flag comforter set for boys, girls, men, and women. Find your favorite today. What we like. This comforter features a unique stitching technique that keeps the filling evenly distributed, resulting in a warm and cozy feel. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and a luxurious feel, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those seeking superior warmth and comfort throughout the year. What people say. The feel is thin, but that may be absolutely wonderful for the weather here in the south where we want to SE covered but feel like the fabric is breathable. That is my king-size pillow top mattress and it fit with ease. It perfectly describes his hobbies and matches his bedroom color scheme. He was so excited, he took a video and sent it to me of how it looks with a message of how vibrant the colors are and how extremely soft and light it is. Even though it's light, he says it's super comfy and warm. Great material, washes well, very comfortable, color does not fade, the size is accurate and the comforter set is perfect for Florida weather. Number 2. Fishman Fishing Comforter Set. Get ready to experience ultimate comfort and style with this amazing comforter set. It's perfect for any fishing enthusiast. Made with 400 GSM brushed microfiber and polyester filling, it's incredibly soft and cozy. You'll love how luxurious it feels against your skin. This 3-piece set includes one comforter, 79 by 90 inches, and 2 pillowcases, 20 by 30 inches. Everything you need for a complete bedding makeover. The unique U-stitching and whole-piece microfiber filling prevent clumping and shifting, ensuring even warmth and lasting comfort. It's lightweight yet warm enough for all seasons, perfect for bedrooms, guest rooms, or even travel. Take it with you on your next camping trip. This comforter set is easy to care for, simply machine wash with cold water, tumble dry low, and avoid bleach. It's also easy to remove pet fur. What we like. Made with brushed microfiber and featuring U-stitching to prevent fill from shifting, this comforter offers both comfort and durability. If you are looking for a lightweight yet warm option suitable for all seasons, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who value both comfort and practicality. What people say. This camper comforter looks exactly like the picture displayed. Soft blue and grays. It is very lightweight and very easy to tuck under the mattress. There are also several other items to match for your camper decor. For the most part, I love this item. This comforter is airy and light so I don't get hot sleeping underneath it, but there is still enough weight to keep me comforted and cozy. Super adorable design that went great with my new room style. My husband and I both love it and it looks so beautiful with the shams. It fit our big queen bed perfectly. We have oversized mattresses and it looks so awesome. It's so soft and lightweight. Well made and the print is divine. Number 1. Heritage Kids Camo Comforter Set. This comforter set is perfect for your child's room. It's made of soft, comfortable microfiber and features a stylish camouflage pattern. It's 100% polyester microfiber, ensuring a soft and cozy night's sleep. The 85 GSM microfiber with 5 ounces fill provides warmth and comfort. This set includes everything you need for a complete bedding experience. It comes with a comforter, shams, flat sheet, fitted sheet, and pillowcases. Find the perfect fit for your child's bed. It's available in twin, twin XL, and full sizes. This set is machine washable, making it easy to keep clean and fresh. Simply toss it in a washing machine for effortless care. The twin set includes a comforter, 66 by 86, one sham, 20 by 26, a flat sheet, 66 by 96, a fitted sheet, 39 by 75 by 12, and one pillowcase, 20 by 30. The Twin XL set includes a comforter, 66 by 90, one sham, 20 by 26, a flat sheet, 66 by 96, a fitted sheet, 39 by 80 by 12, and one pillowcase, 20 by 30. The full set includes a comforter, 76 by 86, two shams, 20 by 26, a flat sheet, 81 by 94, a fitted sheet, 54 by 75 by 12, and two pillowcases, 20 by 30. What we like. This complete set is made from 100% machine washable microfiber, making it easy to care for. If you prioritize convenience and ease of maintenance, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for busy families or anyone who wants a low-maintenance yet stylish bedding option. What people say. The comforter is the perfect weight, not super heavy but great for winter in the Northeast. It was in perfect condition, came with everything stated, and is as soft as ever. The colors are perfect for the room. Lightweight but warm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.